So for those of you that don't know me yet, my name's Rose Masnack, one of your co-hosts for this symposium and the founder of the symposium 6 years ago. So you've all got a coffee, you've got some breakfast treats. Now you need to get your mind into the room for some really great content that we spent the last year developing.
Good morning, everybody. Everybody can hear me okay? Loud and clear. Excellent. Thank you. My name is Patrick Charlton, professor, coordinator at the School of Business at Algonquin College, and co-host for the event today, Canadian Sales Educators Symposium. This is our 5th year, Rose.
5th year?
Amazing. 5th year benchmark. Yeah, what an amazing benchmark. And with all of you together, it's been amazing over the last 5 years to watch how the event has grown. So today would not be possible without you, of course, and I'll get to you in a sec, but I'm also going to get to our amazing sponsors. Without our sponsors and support, we could not put this event on and the incredible learning that comes out of it. So I would like to recognize our gold sponsor, Fastenal, has been with us since day one. We have Emma and the crew wandering around, and the crew is going to continue to come in. So thank you, Fastenal. We have, new this year, we have ISP, the Institute of Sales Professionals. So we have Matthew Nicole here representing ISP. So thank you, Matthew. Please raise your hand, so we can pinpoint each other. And Stuken has returned as well from last year. So this year we have Brennan. Where's Brennan? Brennan's in the room. Perfect. So so we thank you for being with us and supporting us as a gold level sponsor. Please find these folks out during our networking break. Please network. And the sponsors have booths on the side here as well. So continuing with our thank yous, our silver level, we have Cengage, we have NC. NC is, there we go. We got NC here from Cengage. And David's here as well. So thank you for being here. And our bronze level, we have McGraw-Hill with Herman. And we got Todd. Anybody else from McGraw? Did I miss anybody? Yeah, good. Okay, excellent. Okay, good. So thank you for being here. And we have our in-kind sponsor, SMEI, Sales Marketing Executives Institute. We have Willis here, and Willis is going to speak as well tomorrow, which is fantastic. So we're great sponsors. So thank you again, sponsors, for supporting. And last but not least, we have us, right? The community of educators, strong and proud, doing the work in the class and here to share, best practices and network, continue to do amazing things. We have about 18 different colleges and universities representing here this year, 2025, which I think is an amazing feat. So thank you for being here, especially in a very, very interesting time. So thank you again.
So let's get into content. The theme this year is ReINVENT Sales. Every year we have a theme that drives and unites the presentations that you're going to see and provides focus for the discussions that we'll have over these 2 days. The idea of reinventing sales invites us to rethink the future of sales, how we teach it, how we practice it, and how we lead it. As this landscape evolves, so must our approach as educators, trainers, and industry. So we're going to have every presentation today providing some insight into how we can reinvent our practice and leadership and teaching to do a better job for our students to be ready for that new environment.
Thanks, Rose. And if there's any year that our theme is on point, I think this is the year where reinvention is not only something we need to think about in our classrooms, but we're probably looking at our own careers, right? As a reflection in this environment. So reinvention is definitely an on-the-nose theme, and I think getting together is even more important in these times as we reflect and we listen to each other and share best practices. I know that's definitely something I will be doing deeply. In case you missed it, we started the reinvention journey last night during a fireside chat. There was no actual fire, but what we do call it a fireside. Sorry. Oh, the clicker is in my pocket, and it's hard to click if it's in my pocket. That's what technology is all about. Here we go. You can do the clicker.
There you go.
So if you happened to join us last night, it was an amazing evening, very intimate. The fireside chats are a little event we like to have as folks come into town. We were treated by Mandy Bajol, two-time Olympic boxer. She spoke to us about the sport of selling as a two-time Olympic champion boxer, and how Mandy has transitioned into the world of business and actually into the construction industry and working with the construction associations, and as well keeping her brand and charitable activities going. It was a fascinating evening, and it was definitely a knockout. I'm sorry, I can't help it. It's gotta be one pun, right? So that was incredible. We did start, I sped ahead, but we did start the day with Fastenal Tour, so thank you, Emma, and the crew of Fastenal, so gracious to bring us through the really fascinating hub they have here in Kitchener, not here in Cambridge, but in Kitchener. So that's always really interesting to see the supply chain in action at Fastenal, and I have the pleasure of working with Emma and all the folks at Fastenal, and try to do as much as I can with those. They're so open to working with our students at Algonquin College in Ottawa. I'm sure they're very happy to work with all of you as well. The other colleges, I have to share them, and so I'm really excited to continue that work. So thank you, Fastenal, for that tour.